Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGems. In today's video, I will show you how to change the sensitive content setting on Facebook and Instagram. So let's get started. On Facebook, first open the Facebook app, then tap the menu button in the bottom right corner, and then tap on the setting and privacy. From this list, tap on the setting right below the setting and privacy. And in this list, scroll down and tap Content Preferences. Next, tap Sensitive Content. Here, you can choose how much sensitive content you want to see. Select the option that works best for you. You can choose default or less. And on Instagram, now open the Instagram app, then tap your profile in the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, and here scroll down and tap Content Preferences under what you see section, and here tap Sensitive Content, and you can choose the level of sensitive content that you want to see. Keep in mind that if you are under required age, some settings may not be available. And that's it. That's how you can change the sensitive content setting on Facebook and Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechGems for more helpful social media tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.